Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another human hair wig review by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. I just received my package last night and I'm gonna go over it with you guys. I'm gonna review the wig. I'm gonna throw her on for the first time. I'm super excited. This one is actually in a 1B. She's an au naturel color, and rather than the last unit I did, which was a custom color unit, she's a lot pricier, but that was something that I wanted to gift myself for a very long time, and thanks to Jane and Company, they were just so amazing and they made it happen for me. So I haven't worn her in a while. I haven't actually worn a lot of wigs, if at all any, in the last like 2 months, and when I dyed my hair red, I've been working so much that I just really don't even have the time. I would just put on my face and call it a day. But there are some new products as well that I will be talking to you guys about because they were in the box and I wanted to talk to you guys about because I know my queens on this channel are a little bit dramatic like me. So I have the wig. She's packaged oh so lovely in the bag and I'm gonna creepily smell it. Oh God. By the way, I have the golden hair mousse, which I've used up quite a bit. I use it a lot, and this is all I've used so far, and it's such an amazing mousse. I also have the two Mango Sisters conditioner and treatment oil, and I dropped that. Couple of things I have here. First things first, I wanted to share with you guys a coupon code. It's loyalty for 10% off your first order or any order with the Virgin Hair Fantasy. I also will leave their page link down below where you can shop, and also their Instagram. Show them some love. Just tell them I sent you. I think just supporting one another, even if you can't financially, buy a product or anything like that, I think just supporting and appreciating the art is just as good. So in the box, you usually get care instructions. You'll get your wig packaged like so. You'll get any other items put aside. Now, I know for a fact that she has some new wig makeup kits, which I think are so cute, and I think it's just perfect. I think I want to get one more shade up because I want to say she has five or six kits. This one is actually, I think, the palest one. I am not that pale. This is the palest one. This is vanilla, and it comes in the shade Milk, Clay, Bone, and Shell. And in this kit, which I find so useful, is this little brush. This is the perfect brush to use, not for your eyes, but for your parting space. So I love brushes like this. I actually regret not saving all my brushes from palettes because I didn't realize I was gonna actually be wearing wigs. So these are all the shades right here. These are super creamy and pale. I prefer to mix them with something that matches my face and my bronzer. So I don't mind mixing shades like this. I have the original palette, which I have the original makeup kit, the light version, very well loved. Very, very, very well loved and very much used. I use a lot of these shades. I've used the crap out of Banana Peach and Café con Leche, or Coffee with Cream. I don't know why I call it in Spanish. And here's the shade Milk, which, did she include it? Yep, she included the shade Milk in here. You could throw this in your purse and call it a day. Nobody will know none the wiser that you're touching up your lace, okay? Another thing she sent me, which I have a pair of her, these are, which ones are these? Oops, these are not it. I cut these down. These are the Emma lashes. I cut them down. I trimmed them because they were super, super long. And I have a second pair that I hope my dog didn't get to. I think I hit them so good that I can't find them. But anyway, she has new boxes and more lashes. This is Benign, or Benign, B-E-N-I-N. And these are the lashes right here. Look how lush. Like, honestly, this is what I'm going to do. I'm not very good at applying them with my fingers. These are Benign. And honestly, I would apply them on my eyes today. But look at that. Holy moly. You could trim these to your liking, of course. Okay, well, that went over very well. These are long, beautiful, flirty lashes. Wow. Well, damn. Oh, we do not. This is quite the looker here. The other ones are just as dramatic and then some. So these, if you're looking for long lashes, check out the Virgin Hair Fantasy. Gorgeous. You could trim them, of course. I trimmed my first ones. She sent me 2 pairs of the Emma lashes. I think that's what they were called. The original ones are Emma. I don't know the name. Yep, Emma lashes. And of course, these I trimmed and I did a number on them. So the other ones I haven't worn, just saving them for a special occasion. These are the Emma-licious ones, which are even more kapow, look at that, than Miss Emma original. Like, whoa. Let's see. I mean, these are dramatic, sexy lashes. And I have long lashes, guys, which, I mean, I would need dramatic lashes, but geez. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is dramatic. These are long, they're big, they're tickling my nose. You could trim them, of course, to fit your eye. She made them so that you can, you know, customize them to your liking. So you can trim most of this off. You could trim the back end off to have the smaller hairs in the front, which I always recommend trimming the lashes from the back end. So you always want to keep the front, and you could trim to your eye shape. Some people have smaller eyes. This is too big for my eyes, so I would actually need to trim them, like wear them from here, and then trim this much off. And they would look probably dope, actually. Very dramatic, very pretty. These are wham bam, thank you ma'am. Thank you ma'am. My credit score is 850 lashes. These are big, big, bold lashes. They're super light though. They're like not heavy feeling. The band feels pretty good. Looks like she's custom made these for her liking and her clientele. So I like that. So I have a tote bag so I can store maybe a couple of my wigs. Actually, no, I can store the wigs in the bags in this and hang it up in my closet. This is cute. Oh, I love me a tote. Thanks, Jane. All right, so now the piece over is so tall, so we've been talking for like 10 minutes. We're gonna pull Miss Wavy 10-inch out. She does her in brown now. It comes packaged like so. She is netted. She has, oh my God. First of all, you know I'm going to sit here and sniff this wig for like 5 days straight. Oh my God, it smells so good. She washes and cleans them and does the most with them, and amazing. I think she got my size down packed. She knows I have a small beady head. Okay, so this is Miss Wavy, 10-inch. She is soft. You can part her however you want to. She parted her to the left. So, sorry, I was just drinking water. She's got natural waves to it. I'm going to put her on as is. It has the elastic band. I like to take the band and pull it for a good 20 to 30 seconds just to stretch out the band enough so it's not super tight when I go put it on. Do not pull from the inside of the cap. Pull from the center out to stretch out your band just a little bit. You're just prepping the band. The band is elastic. It's going to go back to its shape, but you don't want to like apply it firsthand when it's super tight. You want to just stretch it a little bit. I'm going to show you guys the parting space. I want to say it's a 6x13 parting space. Look at that. It has, I'm assuming about 9 combs. She usually puts about 9 combs. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 combs. That's comfy. The adjustable straps are right here. I'm not going to touch them. I think I'm just going to put them on the last setting. I'm not going to apply them just yet. I think the wig is going to fit me perfect. That's what I think. She's got my little peanut head down to a science. So this is it. It has some baby hairs in the back. It's got a little bit of the lace there. You can trim that a little bit. I don't touch it unless I'm putting up my hair in a ponytail. She did baby hairs for me. All right. All right. So how I would apply this wig. It's going to be snug, I could tell. Put that on the front. I'm going to take the elastic band, pull up to the back of my nape. I'm going to take the wig, pull her back like so. Woohoo! I really love her. All right. Now again, I got a little peanut head. So the adjusting that's gonna take part is just, oh shit. My peruca. Oh my god. And of course you want to finger style her. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god, one, it smells delicious. Two, as you guys can see, she trimmed the lace so that I can have a little bit more hair right here. Oh my god. I've seen her wear her nonstop. And honestly, I feel like on her, it looks better with time. I know curls like this are effortless, sexy, ideal. I would personally want her flipped this way because this is like kind of like where my hairline looks best. Don't mind me, y'all. Jane, if you're watching this, please don't mind me. I'm a mess. So as you guys can see, I have my wig cap close, and because I have red hair, I have to be mindful of where to put the wig cap. So what I could do is I can add heat, and I can put the part this way. I'm gonna keep it the way she has it for me. I'm just gonna pull this wig up a little bit over here. Again, I think I'm gonna spritz her a little bit. I'm gonna use some heat protectant just to kind of re-wet the curls up here. I love the wet look on top of that, so yeah, I'm really just not. This is the only part that I'm having a little issue with is just the top. But I'm wetting her. Yes. Yes. Revival of curls. Yes, it happens. It happens. She looks so sexy. This is a sexy ass wig. On her, I think it looks even better. I feel like I can rock it. This is short and flirty. I live. Oh my god. This is so sexy. Okay, alright, we can take it. All right, the natural state of this hair, absolutely beautiful. This is sexy. This is just right. I need to work on the way I do my baby hairs though. I suck. She is cute. She is really cute. This wig ain't going nowhere. I can feel how snug she is, like on my head. She feels amazing. It's comfortable. It does feel exact on me. I'm trying to style her so that yep. She looking good or whatever. Once this dries, it'll look a little bit better. It won't look as... I don't like to leave them like stuck on. I kind of like to make my hairs look like baby hairs. Like they're just my baby hairs. They're not like stuck. See, like these are just kind of loose or whatever. And then I have like a couple baby hairs that are just like sticking around, which we love. And you honestly could do a middle part with this. You could do a side part. You have the parting space to work with. You have the hairline to work with. Do whatever you want to with this unit. For $300, she is amazing. She is so sexy. I styled her pretty quick. Like, I fixed her up real quick just to suit my needs. I do feel like the other side of the hair, like if I parted it the other way, I think it would look better. But again, that's for another day. We can... Oh, wait. Can you start? Oh, my God, yes. You can do a little... You can do a little... You can do a little half up, half down little combo. I'm going to try the ones that she sent me. Oh, yeah. Let me try that bone shade. I want to say it's the last one. Shell Bone. I'm going to try that bone shade. Go ahead and I'm going to use this one. I think that's Bone. I'm going to use Bone. And I'm tapping a little bit on there because I feel like this is pigmented enough where you don't need much. I'm gonna actually use my, see, I don't use just these colors for just any wig. You get what I'm saying? Like I customize it per wig. I feel like there's a science to it sometimes with blending and making sure everything's blended right. Even though it looks amazingly easy, I find it to be sometimes a little bit more difficult. I'll blend my foundation shade in a sense. I'll blend that, and then I'll go back in with a lighter color and then blend that, and it'll mix it. It just works for me. So I'm going to go back in with that bone shade. Yeah, it adds just the right amount of lightness but depth where it doesn't look stark. It looks natural-ish. Go with the Hoops Make the Look. This is the hair right here. Love her. This cut is gorgeous. She's sexy. She's flirty. Okay, I'm digging it. The way she plucked the hairline is amazing. And for the price, I think this is a great first time Peruca. She does have payment plans on her website. If you guys are interested, check it out down below. I mean, does she not look cute? I feel like the earrings just did it for me. Oh, let me show you guys the back. I didn't even show you guys the back. Girl, I don't even know what the back looks like, but we're gonna go in. That this is one of her more popular wigs lately. Like everyone has been loving this cut. It's sexy, it's flirty, it's great for all year round. She now has her in brown, which I find utterly sexy. I think there's just something about just brown hair, not super dark, not super light, just brown hair that's just succulent and sexy. I would put on the lashes, but I feel like that might be too much for me right now, for this look in particular. But what do you guys think? Let me know. I think I finessed her enough. She gave me enough baby hairs to work with. You could definitely add more, or you can omit from using them by just kind of combing them into the natural hair. Oh, I tucked hair in. I forgot I tucked hair in. So I tucked some hair in, which actually, yes. I love this. She's sexy. She's flirty. The color's perfect. She's beautiful. The curls are popping. This is a very wearable look. As you guys saw, it was a little frizzy when I just started playing with her. It happens, and all I did was wet it up. I'm using the Salon Selectives heat protectant. This was $1 from the dollar store. I just always add a little bit more water because I feel like this has a little bit too much stickiness to it. And yes, I still use it as a heat protectant. I'm not adding any heat to this unit, but I think products like this are really nice to re-wet the hair, and adding a little bit of conditioning product to it. It keeps it from like looking super frizzy or anything like that. Oh my God. She looks so cute. How you doing? ¿Cómo están ustedes hoy? Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review and try on of the Virgin Hair Fantasy Wavy 10-inch Peruca or wig. If you guys like it, let me know. Sound off down below. Thumbs up, guys. Don't thumbs down. Thumbs up. Give your girl some love and check them out on Instagram. You guys know I'm a high supporter of this company, of just the whole company in general. The family, the friends, just the camaraderie. How she treats her customers is amazing, and that's really what you want. You want to pay for a luxury service to receive luxury items and also get, you know, you want to feel like you're needed, wanted, and appreciated, and that is something that this company does. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.